Hi my beauties, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I decided to create a natural makeup look for you guys. It's very easy to create and this look is perfect for every day when you're in rush and you don't have enough time. So if you want to see how to get the look, keep watching. I'm starting with the eyes. For eyes, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hill Modern Renaissance palette. Firstly, I'm going with shade Rose, Sienna and Burnt Orange in the outer corner of eyes. I have already done my brows and primed my eyes with L'Oreal concealer and set the eyes with Fenty Beauty powder. And I'm using the same shade as my transition shade. Once it is done, I'm going with shade Warm Top and applying again in the outer view of my eyes with bullet brush. And then blending both the colors together with big fluffy brush. And then finally I took the shade Cypress Umber and applying with the shader brush and then blending with the big fluffy brush. And then again I took Rose Sienna and Burnt Orange and blending with the fluffy brush. Now it's time for face. I'm using Rimmel London Lasting Finish Primer and I'm blending with my fingers. I'm going for dewy makeup look, so I'm using Max Drop cream and applying all over my face and especially on my cheekbones and blending with my hands. You can skip this step, it just I'm feeling a little bit extra, so I'm going with L'Oreal Natural Glow Enhancer in shade Medium Glow and applying all over my face and blending with Beauty Blender. For everyday makeup, I have decided to go for Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in shade 230 Natural Buff and blending with the Beauty Blender. Now it's time to cover my dark circles. I'm using MAC Concealer in shade NC25 and applying with my fingers under my eyes and on my nose and blending with the Beauty Blender. To set the concealer, I'm using Fenty Beauty Blotting Powder in shade Universal. For everyday makeup look, I don't like harsh contour, so I'm going with Morphe Blusher in shade Unapologetic and using as bronzer on my hollows of cheeks, my jawline and nose contour. It's a very pretty warm brown color. Now it's time to finish up the eyes. I'm using Cypress Umber on my lower lash line. I'm kind of using same shade which I used in my crease. Firstly Cypress Umber, then blending with the Warm Top and then finally Rose Sienna and Burnt Orange. And for eyeliner, I have used Inglot Gel Eyeliner in shade 77 and applying on my waterline. And for mascara, I have used my favorite mascara, the Tarte Mascara. My favorite part of the makeup is highlighter. So firstly, I'm going with Josie Maran highlighter. It's a cream highlighter. I'm applying on my cheekbone, bridge of the nose, cupid bow, chin, and little bit on my forehead. And then blending with the beauty blender. To set that cream highlighter in place, I'm using Makeup Revolution highlighter reloaded in shade Just My Type. Look at the glow. I'm using same highlighter on my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. To set makeup in place and to get the dewy effect, I'm using NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And it's time for lips. I'm using Maybelline Lip Liner in shade 118 Raw Chocolate and filling my lips with the same lip liner. For lipstick, I have used Flower lipstick in shade Honey Nude. One side it has lipstick and the other side is a gloss. And this is the final look. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. For your convenience, I'm gonna list everything in the description box. My social media account also gonna be listed in the description box. And do follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.